Hey guys, and welcome to your week 6 MyStatsLab problem 1 example. Not really an example because we don't have one. This is a fairly small, simple problem. Two little questions here. We'll try to talk about it without giving you the answer, but I think by the time we get through, you'll have the answer. So anyway, company's employee database includes each employee's compensation. So what are we talking about? Talking about how much each person makes. So depending on the size of the company, that could be a lot or a few, but it can also be very different. I know in my company we have many different pay rates, different salaries. Maybe where you work the same way. Not everybody makes the same thing, or even people in the same department don't make the same thing. So they can vary quite a bit. So the first part of our question asks us if the variable is discrete or continuous. Well, what do we mean by that? Discrete variables have numerical values that arise from a counting process. So 1, 2, or something like that. Continuous variables produce numerical responses that arise from a measuring process. And in your book, on page 216, near the bottom, there is some yellow highlighted areas there that talk about discrete variables and continuous variables. And even in your book, it says that continuous random variables are common in business applications and monetary quantities such as profits, revenues, and spending. So I guess that sort of tells you what the answer to part A is. In part B, we're asked what are the possible values it can take on. Well, there again, if we're talking about employees and how much they make, what values can it take on? Well, it can take on anything that's within our company's employee compensation program, from the lowest amount to the highest amount, anywhere in between. So any amount of money that is within the range of our company, there again, from the minimum that they pay to the maximum, if they have a maximum that they pay, that is where that value can be, anywhere in between. So, well, I don't know what else to say about this problem. That's pretty much all we have to do is answer those two small pieces there. Again, page 216 in your book gives you a good idea of what it is, along with what we just talked about. So I hope that is all you need to help you. And there you have it. There is your MyStatsLab Problem 1 example from week 6. See you on the next time.